Hello everybody, this is Bhupinder Singh. As you know, the world is facing the heat of pandemic known as coronavirus. So we are offering you some online classes so you can stay at home and be safe. Today's lecture is for primary classes and the topic is preposition shows the relation between noun or pronoun with any other word in the sentence. So here are some words on the board which shows the relation between noun, pronoun with any other word in the sentence. Means these are the prepositions. So first is in, on, at, under, below, behind, over, near, into, upon, in front of, beside, between, after and before. Here are some examples of in. The puppy is in the basket. The puppy is in the basket. And second is the fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. I am in a room. I am in a room. The comb is in the drawer. The comb is in the drawer. A second example is on. The puppy is on the table. The puppy is on the table. The fruits are on the table. Means the fruits are lying on the table. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. Means the ball is on the box. The jug is on the table. The jug is lying on the table. A third example is near. So, for example, the puppy is sitting near the basket. Means the puppy is sitting nearby. As you can see in the picture, that puppy is sitting near the basket, not inside, not on anywhere else, but it is near to the basket. The ball is near the bat. Means the ball is nowhere else, but it is near the bat. Ball is near the bat. The spoon is near the plate. Means that spoon is not on the plate, it is near to the plate. Third is, the last is the book is near the bag. Means the book is not inside the bag, it is outside the bag, but it is near to the bag. Our fourth example is behind. The puppy is behind the basket. Means the puppy is not in the front, it is at the back side of the basket. Means the puppy is behind the basket. The ball is behind the box. The ball is behind the box. The chair is behind the table. Means chair is not in front of table, it is behind the table, at the back side. It is behind the table. Ram is sitting behind Rahul. Means Ram is not sitting on the front bench. Then Rahul, he is sitting on the back side. So our fifth example is on between. Between means like the puppy is sitting between two baskets. As you can see in the picture, the puppy is not sitting beside or anywhere else, but the puppy is sitting between the baskets. There are two baskets and puppy is sitting between the baskets. The table is between two chairs. The table is between two chairs. Means the tables are on the side, both sides of the chair. Ram is sitting between Rahul and Ravi. Ram is sitting means on one side of Ram there is Rahul, and on the other side Ravi is there. Okay. And the last one is the black puppy is sitting between white puppies. Means on the both side of the black puppy there are white puppies. The is under. The puppy is sitting under the fan. Means the puppy is sitting on the floor under the fan. The man is sitting under the tree. Means he is not sitting on the branches or anywhere else. He is sitting under the tree. We are under the roof. We are sitting under the roof. The last one is The ball is under the table, means the ball is not on the table or beside the table, it is under the table. Some example is beside. The puppy is sleeping beside its mother, means the puppy is sleeping close to its mother. Ram is sitting beside Rahul, means Ram is sitting beside Rahul, close to Rahul. The keys are hung on the wall beside the door. Beside the door, the keys are hanging on the wall beside the door. The boy is sitting beside girl. The boy is sitting close to girl, beside a girl. So our eighth example is over. The puppy is jumping over the box. As you can see in the picture, the puppy is jumping over the box. He is upside the box. The plane is flying over the city. The plane is flying upside over the city. The bird is flying over the tree. The bird is flying over the tree. The bird is not flying under the tree. Tree is below the bird and the bird is flying over the tree. The poster is hanging over the people. The poster is hanging over the people. That means people are under the poster, below the poster, and poster is hanging above the people. Our second last example is into. The puppy is going into the kennel. Kennel is the home, you can say, of the puppy, and the puppy is going into the kennel, going into its home. The Rahul came into the room, means Rahul was outside the room and he came into the room. Put the ball into the box. Put the ball into the box. There is a box and you have to put the ball inside it. Throw the garbage into the dustbin. Throw the garbage in the dustbin, means you have to throw the garbage inside the dustbin box. So the 10th example is around. The puppy is running around the basket. There is a basket and the puppy is running around the basket. The earth rotates around the sun. As you all know, in our solar system, the earth rotates around the sun and there are many more planets which rotates around the sun. The moon rotates around the earth. As you know, as the earth rotates around the sun, same the moon rotates around the earth. I am running around the pole. There is a pole and I am running around the pole. These were some examples of preposition, and there are much more examples of preposition. So look around you, see where preposition is being used and make some examples. Make as many as you can. So let's take a revision. What is preposition? Preposition is the word which shows the relation between noun pronoun with the another word in a sentence. Preposition shows the relation between noun pronoun with the another word in the sentence. So this was today's lecture, and if you have any problem, any question, you can ask in comment section and we will be replying in a special video for that.